Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. I'm here with a brand new video. In this video, we'll learn about the 3D shapes. Almost each and everything around us can be considered as a 3D shape. These objects surround our daily lives. A lot of times they go unnoticed. So in this video, we'll talk about all the different 3D shapes and their dimensions and the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. So let's begin. Introduction. We have learned about some basic shapes like a square, rectangle, a circle, and a triangle. We can touch them only on paper. We cannot hold them in our hands. So these shapes are called 2D shapes or two-dimensional shapes. Now look at these figures. We notice something special about these shapes. We can hold them in our hands and they are solids. So these shapes are known as 3D shapes or three-dimensional shapes. Now what are 3D shapes? 3D shapes are solids that consists of three dimensions, namely length, breadth and height. The D in 3D shapes stands for dimensional. These 3D shapes occupy space and are found in our day-to-day life. We can touch, feel and use them in our lives. You can see a few examples of 3D shapes. Isn't it interesting? So let's learn more about them. Now faces, edges and vertices of these solid figures. Before learning about 3D shapes, we should learn about these terms. In 3D shapes, a face is a flat surface, as you can see the figure alongside. An edge is the line segment where two faces meet. A vertex is a point or corner where two or more edges meet. The faces of a cube and cuboid are flat, whereas a cylinder, cone and sphere have curved faces. So we'll learn more about these figures. First, we'll learn about cube. A cube is a solid or 3D shape which has 6 square faces. The cube has the following properties. All edges are equal. Number of vertices 8. Number of edges 12. Number of faces 6. And the volume of a cube is length into breadth into height or a square. Here the A represents the edges. So if we multiply all three, we get the volume of the cube. Second is cuboid. A cuboid, also called a rectangular prism, where the faces of the cuboid are a rectangular in shape. All the angles measure 90 degrees. The cuboid has 8 vertices, 12 edges, 6 faces. The volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, cubic units. Third is cylinder. A cylinder is defined as the three-dimensional geometrical figure which has two circular bases connected by a curved surface. As you can see in the picture, a cylinder has no vertex, two edges, two flat faces and a curved face. Fourth is cone. A cone is a three-dimensional object or solid which has a circular base and has a single vertex. The cone is a geometrical figure that decreases smoothly from the circular flat base to the top point called the apex. A cone has one vertex, one edge, one flat face and one curved face. Fifth is sphere. A sphere is a 3D solid figure which is perfectly round in shape. The fixed distance from the center of the sphere is called the radius of the sphere. A sphere has no vertex, no edges, only one curved face. Sixth is pyramid. A pyramid is a solid shape whose outer faces are triangular and meet to a single point on the top. The most commonly used type of pyramid is the square pyramid. A square pyramid has 5 vertices, 8 edges and 5 faces. So, this is all about the 3D shapes. I hope you enjoyed learning them. Please go through the video once again, and then if you have understood and liked it, please share it and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notification of all the videos I upload, and then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.